Hey guys, it's June 21st, 2026, and it's Father's Day, and it's the Car Club's Father's Day car show. Got her all shined up, ready to go. So it's looking pretty and yellow. First time today, it'll be the first time it's been on the road since I think probably the 80s, maybe the 70s. I'm going to see if I can put in a picture of what this was when I got it. Interior's all done. Ish. Not 100% happy, but there you go. No back seat, just my little toolbox bench thing. Anyhow, I'll take it down to the car show. Well, I made it. Jimmy's Model A, Steve's CJ5, Mike's Fiat Spider, Dennis's Sunbeam, which you've all seen before, Wayne's Triumph, and my Jalopy. It was not a happy drive. It ran like crap. I think it needs a good, hoping it just needs a good run. There's Brad's Corvair and Charles. Charles is 57 Chevy. This is a neat car. Blacked out chrome. Cool custom interior. Oh, the Pontiac boys are coming now. That's Steve's GTO. He has a habit of hitting things with it. Oh, he's okay. So we're all here early because we're selling tickets. I think it's like 7:30. There's a couple of cars here, a van. But these fields will be full probably within an hour. The Optimist Club is here. They're going to be putting on a breakfast. Should be a good day. Blue sky. So I made it back from the car show. It got really rough on the way back. We put it up on the hoist to see if we could figure out what it was, checked all the wheels, checked everything. And I'll put a picture here of what we found. So that's my rear universal joint on the drive shaft. The issue is that is I'm going to say GM style. That is the original or correct U-joint for the drive shaft, which is off a S10, Chevy S10. But the differential is a Dodge, so they need a different type of U-joint with clips on the inside. So what happened was the caps with the little roller bearings in, as I drove up the road, they basically puked themselves out. I was extremely lucky to get back here, and I'm also extremely lucky that I didn't, cause any damage or get in an accident or anything. Anyhow, got a new, the correct U-joint on order, and that should be all I need, and I should be good to go.